السلام علیکم، میں ہوں سعدیہ عبید خان سعدیہ ٹاک سے۔ آج ملیے نومی سے۔ نومی ایک ٹورسٹ ہیں، ہنگری سے ان کا تعلق ہے۔ اتفاق کی بات یہ ہے کہ مکلی کے ٹرپ میں ان سے ملاقات ہوئی اور آج کراچی میوزیم میں ان سے جانتے ہیں کہ پاکستان کے کلچر کے بارے میں ان کی کیا رائے ہے۔ ہیلو نومی۔
Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Noemi. I'm from Hungary, from Eastern Europe, and I'm very happy to be here in Karachi, where I'm finishing my 50 days long trip in Pakistan. What I started in Gilgit, Pakistan, where I enjoyed the beautiful mountains and the local culture. For example, I visited the Beltest fort, what was very, very interesting for me. And after that, I went to Islamabad and Ravalpindy. Then I went to Peshawar, where I learned about the Pashtoon culture. And
Have you had chapli kebab over there?
Yes, I had the best chapli kebab in Peshawar.
Oh.
And I really liked the shirwani kebab also, and some other very nice dishes. And after Peshawar, I went to Taktibahi and also to Taxila near Islamabad. And after that, I went to Punjab, to Lahore side, where I spent 11 days learning about the culture and the history, and also about the architecture. I'm pretty much interested in the Mughal architecture. And also I celebrated the Guru Nanak Jayanti, the Gurpurab, which is the main religious festival of the Sikh people.
Have you feel frightened over here? People gaze you?
Well, actually, I traveled pretty many countries, and few of in these countries I already experienced staring mostly men. What I experienced in some parts of Pakistan also, but the thing is that people are very helpful and very friendly and very curious. So for me, it's more about, I feel more like that people are curious because obviously I am from abroad, and they ask where do I come from. They always ask how do I like Pakistan, and they just want to know more about me. So I'm fine with it.
Do you find any similarity between Hungary and Pakistan? Anything?
We both like spicy food, but you guys you use more spices. But if you come to Europe and you try the different cuisines of different countries, you will find my country the spiciest country in Europe.
What do you like most in our culture? Since we have a strong and rich culture, and we will be celebrating our cultural day in 2 or 3 days. What do you say?
Actually, I really like that your culture, the culture of this land is so Asian. It started with actually not even with the Indus Valley civilization, but even before that. And I'm also very much interested in the Gandhara culture, and very much the Muslim time when the Caliphate came, and of course all the different kingdoms like the Sikh kingdom, the Sindh kingdom, the Mughals. And the British part is also interesting. So it's just like so much of history to learn here. And also I love that there are more religions represented here, even though the Hindus and Sikhs nowadays are less. But still it's very nice to see that people can live in harmony together. And I met many people who told and shared their stories with me. And I'm just so happy to be here and learn about this country, because, you know, in Europe and in other parts of the world, we don't really know about this country. We don't get many news about Pakistan, and unfortunately most of the news are not really positive, but more like negative when something terrible happens, like a bomb blast, terror attacks. So
now you will be Pakistan's ambassador in Hungary.
Yes.
Promoting positive things, and I found you at Makli yesterday.
Yes.
What do you feel about Makli heritage?
I think Nukly is a place, even though it's a UNESCO World Heritage Place, hardly anyone knows about it. And it actually covers so many hundreds of years. We see there the biggest Kubristan, the biggest cemetery in the world, with more than 500,000 shrines, 8 main tombs belonging to royal people, belonging to religious people. There's a dargah there, which is also very interesting to see how people gather there, how they worship there, and how they, or even they just chill there. This is something we don't have in Europe, and in many other parts of the world. So it's very interesting. And that was similar in Lahore, where I tried them. How do you call it? The dole, damals. It's very interesting.
Thank you, Nomi.